Good morning, Mr. Patterson.
How are you?
Can you talk more about the two separate types of pre-mediation protocol?
There's one for the Paris group, which is, they represent 10 plaintiffs, and the other one is for the other 164 plaintiffs.
What's the main difference between the two?
Really not anything significant whatsoever.
Is it the global versus individual settlement like Mr. Paris had mentioned before?
Pretty much, although we're going to be looking at each individual on a separate basis and evaluating their cases on an individual basis as we'd represented previously.
And attorney, the 174 that the judge mentioned, does that include the libel case?
But
she was mentioning 173 or 74. Do we include the libel case in that?
I believe there's 4 of those. Those are counterclaims, so that would include those, yes.
The 10 open healing cases, they're participating in the mediation. What will they get out of the mediation if they haven't filed a complaint or obtained a lawyer at this point?
We're going to negotiate in good faith a settlement, just like we will with the other plaintiffs. They've chosen, for whatever reason, not to be represented by lawyers. So we've respected that, and we will be working with the mediator, who will be working with each and every individual to try to reach a reasonable and fair settlement.
How confident are we in settlement?
Well, I'm very confident, but I'm an optimist. But I feel as though if we prepare correctly, and I think we're doing that, and I have to thank certainly all the attorneys, the Archbishop for standing behind us, and obviously saying that the better way to approach this is through mediation as opposed to litigation.
You talked about the insurance carriers also in mediations. Can you delve more on that?
We don't have that set up, but it was a suggestion that was made by some of the insurance carriers that we have a pre-mediation mediation, because there are various issues, obviously, that are ripe for decision with regard to the differences of opinion as to what is covered and what isn't covered. And so we hope that everybody will be sitting down in good faith to try to work out their differences.
Does the church have enough money for these payouts?
Well, the church, is not looking to put up property at this particular point in time until such time as we determine what the values of these cases are and what they can be settled for.
Do you have any estimate as to how much each
No, because we're in that evaluation process. As I indicated in court, we've taken 142 of 174 statements, and that we are in the process of evaluating those claims now for purposes of evaluation not only by our client but by the insurance carriers.
Do you have a timeline for evaluation of these statements? When are you?
Well, we hope to finish those by the middle of July.
And how many parties have not signed off on the protocol as of today?
There's certain people that have signed. I mean, we had to make a few changes because the Capuchins had an early morning conference call this morning, and they wanted one change made.